How to make money online by building mobile apps in 2021. We are living in an era where everyone is trying to make money online. And if you are an enthusiast about building mobile apps, then that's a great way to make money online. In 2020, customers spent $111 billion on apps. 2020 was the biggest mobile shopping year yet. 25% more app developers made over $2 million in 2020 compared to 2019. Good apps are making money, and that's just the truth. It all depends on your skill set and the time you spend on your projects. So how can you build an app that actually makes money? If this question stumbles in your mind, then watch this video till the end. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such business ideas and money-making videos. It's free. To make money online by building apps, you need to build an effective app that solves real-world problems. To be more specific, here are top 5 ways to make money with apps. Number 1. Upload apps on Play Store or App Store. Come up with an idea that solves real-world problems. Solving everyday problems with an elegant solution is adequate. Building an app and just uploading it on Play Store won't make you any money. You need to work on App Store optimization also and marketing your app. Tell about your app and what problem it solves on social media and forums. This will increase your app's online presence and it might get some downloads. Number 2. Have a clear business model, not just an idea. Your app idea can become popular and it might get several downloads. But a business model is what tells you how that idea will get users to pay up. First, you need to understand which part of your app will generate revenue. Is that a platform or a service you are providing? Understand and strategize your business model according to that. This brings us to the next part, monetizing your app. Number 3. Generate income from in-app ads. It is the best way to generate revenue from apps that are popular and free to download. As an app developer, you can use the AdMob platform to integrate ads in your app, which will enable you to earn revenue by viewing ads. More the app users, the more income you generate. Number 4. Generate income from freemium apps. Freemium apps are those that offer core functionality for free and charge a subscription fee for a more feature-rich version with added benefits. If you've earned your users' trust, they'll be happy to pay for the add-ons. Number 5. Generate income from subscription service. Subscription apps offer users access to a particular service or content for a weekly, monthly, or annual fee. Apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video follow this strategy. But this strategy works only if your app offers a steady stream of fresh and quality content to users. So, that's it, guys. These are the top 5 ways I would suggest every app developer make money from apps. Choose your mobile app monetization strategy wisely and you will find your app making more money consistently. Thanks for watching.